Today I'm going to show you how to make some superfood energy. It gives you a lot of energy yogurt. Trust me, it tastes good. Really delicious. It's amazing, actually. Boom! Mind blown. Alright, so hey everybody. Today, do you know like when the start of the morning you always go for that cereal and those sugary stuff? Today I'm going to show you how to make some superfood energy. It gives you a lot of energy yogurt. Trust me, it tastes good. Really delicious. Seriously, it's no joke, it's delicious. I tried it and ate it like millions of times. It's delish. Amazing. Finito. Wow. Yeah. So we got chocolate, hemp seeds, which has omega-3, omega-6, and grams of protein are 10 per serving. Chia seeds, coconut flakes, and chopped up almonds with some granola and strawberries, which I'm going to be cutting up, and bananas and yogurt. Alright, so I'm going to cut up the strawberry. Be careful with your fingers. I opened the banana and I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, I just need like that's good enough. I'm gonna grab this, then you're gonna cut. Be careful while you cut though. So I'm gonna get the yogurt. Alright, so I put 4 tablespoons, but you don't have to follow exactly my measures. You can put how much you want though. So I'm gonna grab my spatula, just in case. Like this. Alright, then I spread. And then I'm gonna grab let's go with the strawberries. Alright, so it has to be all around. Oops. Closer to the end though. Alright, so after I put the strawberries, as you can see, I'm gonna put granola. They kind of look like grains, don't they? Like a little bit. Honey granola. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna save this granola for me to eat. Almonds. Comment down below if you love almonds or honey granola. Comment down below if you love almonds or granola as like your favorite snack. You could put any kind of nuts, and I'm gonna give you like the list of nuts. Yeah. Alright, there. Yeah, I have to like squeeze it in because I have a lot of Alright, let's put like some. These are coconut flakes. Alright, almost got them. Then I'm gonna add my favorite. Comment down below if you love dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate. Comment down below if you love white chocolate, dark chocolate, or milk chocolate. For me, it's either like milk chocolate. Like milk chocolate, it's just so delish, like amazing. But this is dark chocolate, which is just as better, which is just as great because it doesn't have sugar though. We're on to this side. Alright, I'm gonna add the bananas. And bananas are pretty hard to handle with when you're in yogurt because it's all slippery. So it's better if you have like something by your side to like pick it up with as the bottom, and then use your like one finger to Immediately just jumped on. It's good. Yeah. The last ones, the most organic and seed ones. I'm gonna start with hemp seeds since it has omega-3 and omega-6 and 10 grams of protein. It's pretty easy one. You could just put it randomly or something. It's your type of superfood organic, so you could do whatever. And here to the last one, the most crunchiest one. And if you look closely, they kind of look like spider eggs. Wait, no, snake eggs. Right. Then I'm gonna get a spoon. All right, this looks so good. My mouth is full. No joke. It's so amazing. Like, look at this. Imagine. All right, so do you know just normal cereal? They look plain unless you add something on it. This is like tropical. Like, look, it's so amazing. Alright, so I'm gonna have the taste test. Which one should I start with? Comment down below which one should I start with. Should I start with strawberry or banana? So should I start with strawberry or banana? And it has chocolate with snap. It's amazing, actually. Like, for all the combinations in the world, I think this is the best combination ever. So good. I definitely taste the strawberry, the granola, and the banana with chocolate. Like, boom! Mind blown. Comment down below to see, like, if you tried this out. This is really good. Comment down below, mind blown, if you love this. This is delicious. I love it. And wowza. Alright, so make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified on all the videos we do. Me and my brother equals we. And make sure you like and comment. See ya in the next video. Bye. I mean, I'm just gonna have one more bite. Alright, if you want a list of healthy, nutritious stuff, I'm going to give you a list and make sure you comment down below. Ideas to add to breakfast bowls. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, kiwi, pineapple, coconut flakes, mangoes, oranges, bananas, cherries, passion fruit, papaya. Nuts. Pistachios, almonds, walnuts, pecans, cashews, and sunflower seeds. Dried fruits and superfoods. Coconut flakes, cranberries, granola, chia seeds, apricots, dates, cherries, goji berry, and mulberry. Bye-bye! See you in the next video. So we got chocolate, hemp seeds, and chia seeds, coconut flakes, and chopped up almonds with some granola, and strawberries, and bananas, and yogurt. Mmm. 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 Are you eating my yogurt? What just happened?